This no-bake chocolate dessert is so rich and creamy, you'll want to make it every week. Start by crushing 300 grams of milk biscuits into fine crumbs. Then mix with 150 grams melted unsalted butter until combined. Press this mixture firmly into the base of a baking dish and set aside. In a bowl, combine 395 grams condensed milk with 50 grams cocoa powder until smooth. In a separate large bowl, whip 400 milliliters chilled cream until stiff peaks form, then fold in the condensed milk mixture.
Subscribe to my channel.
Stir in 80 grams chopped walnuts and 80 grams chopped semi-sweet chocolate, mixing well. Pour over the biscuit base, spread evenly, and sprinkle with crushed biscuits for decoration. Chill in the fridge for at least 3 hours until set. Slice, serve, and enjoy this irresistibly smooth and chocolatey treat. What do you think about this amazing recipe? You won't believe how easy this frozen chocolate dessert is. Start by freezing 4 square containers with a toothpick in each. Once frozen, melt 300 grams of semi-sweet chocolate with 20 milliliters of oil. Then mix in 150 grams of crushed peanuts. Dip each ice cube to coat in the chocolate, then set aside. In a pan, melt 150 grams of sugar until golden. Add 100 grams of butter, then 120 grams of heavy cream. Stir in 80 grams of peanuts and let it cool. Now for the base, beat 2 eggs, 70 grams sugar, and 20 milliliters oil. Add 50 grams flour, 25 grams cocoa, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and mix. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, then cut into squares. Whip 300 milliliters of cream with 150 grams cream cheese and 150 grams powdered sugar until stiff. Blend in 12 grams gelatin mixed with 80 grams melted chocolate. To assemble, layer caramel, chocolate cream, and cake inside each chocolate shell. Chill for 3 hours and enjoy. What do you think about this amazing recipe? This creamy chocolate dessert is smooth and irresistible. In a saucepan, whisk 1 egg yolk, 1 whole egg, 100 grams of powdered sugar, and 25 grams of cocoa powder. Add 500 milliliters of milk, heat, and stir until it starts to boil. Dissolve 50 grams of cornstarch in 100 milliliters of milk. Pour it in and stir until thick and creamy. Mix in 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter until melted. Let cool to room temperature. Then add 150 grams of chopped dried plums. Line a bowl with plastic wrap. Spread 2 tablespoons of cream inside and layer with chocolate biscuits. Repeat, alternating cream and biscuits, finishing with biscuits. About 300 grams total. Cover and refrigerate for 2 hours. Melt 150 grams of semi-sweet chocolate in the microwave, stirring every 30 seconds until smooth. Spread over the chilled dessert, refrigerate 15 more minutes, then serve this rich, layered treat cold. What do you think about this amazing recipe?